Today, one of
I,
the client from, I think so, African country, name is Meena. She contacted us about her query, and we will discuss with her. And I will do my best to clear the whatsoever query of Meena. Meena, firstly, I will welcome you on our YouTube channel, and this is a namaskar from my side.
okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Firstly, Meena, I will ask one question which always ask from the client. Firstly, tell me from where you took the reference of our company.
I took it from YouTube.
Okay.
I first saw you guys on YouTube. I was just doing my research and I saw you guys and I
And
got the number from the video.
okay, how many days you are following our YouTube channel?
How many?
How many days you are watching our YouTube channel?
Since yesterday night.
Oh. but but our all the videos in Hindi, how you understand?
Yes, I do. That's why I really wanted to contact you because they're very clear.
Okay. Anyhow,
Yeah.
okay. Can you tell me where you are based?
I'm based in Kenya, um,
Okay.
in Nairobi, the
Ah,
capital of Kenya.
okay. You are from Kenya. Anyhow, tell me your query.
Yeah.
Tell me your query. Tell me your question.
Okay. I'm having I've been in a program, a Finnish program that I'm a nurse. I'm going there as an assistant nurse.
Okay.
For before before now, in 2019, I had applied for a tourist visa
Which
through
country?
a travel agency,
Which country?
Canadian,
Canadian visa. Okay.
Canada.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted to go there for a conference,
Okay.
and so the agency was doing most of the work,
Okay.
but I gave all the documents that they needed.
Okay.
Um, Unfortunately, they gave a recommendation letter that I didn't know about, so it was a fake one
Okay.
because we were paying. So we had already paid for the conference, so they were supposed to like do the immigration process.
Okay.
Yeah, so I didn't know about the reference letter, so
Okay.
it was amongst those.
Okay. It means
So
your Canadian tourist visa was refused, as well as they also put the ban 5 years or not?
yes, I got the ban for 5 years from 2019,
Okay.
and now I want to travel to Finland. And
Okay.
I'm really thinking, because now there's somewhere that you have to say if you're prohibited from a country and why. My friends are telling me don't try it, and I don't know. I'm not embarrassed about it because I didn't know about it. So
Okay.
I'm very confused. I don't know.
Okay. There is no problem. I will clear your all the confusion. That is not a problem. So, firstly, I will ask something about yourself. Thereafter, I will give the good suggestions. Firstly, tell me about your age.
Right now I'm 29 years old.
How much?
29,
Okay.
29.
And what is your educations?
I have studied until college. I have a diploma in nursing.
What is the duration of this diploma? It is 3 years or 4 years?
Three, three and a half.
3 years. Previously, you traveled any country?
No.
No. Whether you are single or married?
I am married, but we don't have any marriage certificate, so we just stay together.
Okay. Know your questions ki whether you will show your refusal as well as ban entry to Finland agency or not before applying the visa. This is your question.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyhow, in your passport, whether there is any stamp or any visa cancellation stamp on your visa or something?
Yeah, there was a visa and it was cancelled without prejudice.
Okay.
I shared the picture.
Okay. It means you already shared me the picture of your cancelled visa of Canada on my WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
the one. That's the stamp I have.
Okay. So in your case, I am strongly recommended, firstly, change your passport, this one,
Okay.
and apply your Finland visa on a new passport.
Okay. I can do that.
Yes. Then the chances are 95% chances you will get a Finland either study or work permit visa without any problem if you have a valid work permit papers from Finland government.
Yeah, I have valid. We are working with Silk Road, so they're pretty valid.
Which one?
Silk Road.
Okay. So thereafter you can apply. If you are facing any type of problem for applying your work permit, residency permit on Inter-Finland website, we can also assist you and we can also help you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes, my internet was a
Okay,
bit.
no
It's a bit.
problem. Even if you want your residency permit of work permit, we can also assist you if you are facing any type of problem.
Thank you so much.